We'll guide you through how to import contacts from Excel to Google Contacts. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in the Excel document that I want to go and import and add to Google Contacts. So first of all, make sure you've got the column set up correctly with first name, last name, mobile phone, and email address. These are the primary ones I'm using in this video. Once you've got these set up, then all you need to do is go to the top left and go and click on File. And what you want to do is go and click on Save As, because we need to go and use a specific type of file. Click on Browse and you can choose where you want it to be. I'll just do it in my documents here. Now what you want to do is come down to Save As Type and make sure you use CSV. Select that there. For the file name, you can go and name it something you can easily remember. I'm going to name this Import Google Contacts, like so. Then what you can do is when you're done is go and click on Save. And what you can then do is come to Google Contacts. You can go and see my contacts which are already here, and then come over to the left and go and click on Import. And you need to click on Select File. Then what you can do is go and find the file, go and select it like so, and click on Open in the bottom right. And then you can click on Import. It will then go and start the process, and all you need to do is go and wait. You'll go and get taken to the imported page, and as you can see, we've successfully imported them. We've got our names, emails, and then phone numbers. And that's it. They'll then be added into our contacts.